Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Do you struggle to stay focused while studying English? Do you start reading and then check your phone? Do you open your English book but your mind is thinking about something else? You are not alone. Many English learners have this problem. In today's video, I will discover how to boost your focus, why it is hard to concentrate, how to use the greatest reader to improve your English, a simple daily study plan, easy habits that help you stay focused longer. By the end of this lesson, you will know exactly how to study English with better concentration and confidence. Let's begin. Part 1. Why is it hard to stay focused? First, let's understand the problem. There are three main reasons why students lose focus: distractions, your phone, social media, messages, noise, TV, music. These things pull your attention away from studying. When your brain switches between English and your phone, learning becomes slow and difficult. Number two, English is too difficult. If the book is too hard, you feel tired, you feel confused, you feel frustrated. Your brain says, "This is too hard, I want to stop." Number three, no clear goal. Many students say, "I will study English today," but they don't know what to study, how long to study, what result they want. This makes studying boring and unfocused. Part 2. What is a graded reader? Now let's talk about one of the best tools for focus, a graded reader. A graded reader is a book written in easy English. It uses simple grammar. It uses common vocabulary. It has different levels: beginner, intermediate, advanced. Why is this powerful? Because you understand the story, you enjoy reading. You don't stop every sentence. You stay focused longer. When English is too hard, your brain stops. When English is comfortable, your brain continues. This is called the right level of challenge. Reading should be not too easy, not too hard, just right. Part 3. The 25 minutes focus method. Let me show you a very simple and proven method. Step 1. Prepare your study space. Before you study, put your phone far away. Turn off notifications. Sit comfortably. Open your graded reader. Tell yourself, for the next 25 minutes, I only study English. Step 2. Set a timer for 25 minutes. During this time, only read, only focus. No phone, no social media, no multitasking. Just reading, thinking, focusing. Step 3. Take a 5 minutes break after 25 minutes. Stretch, drink water, walk, rest your eyes, then repeat again if you want. This trains your brain to focus like a muscle. Part 4. How to read a graded reader correctly. Many students read the wrong way. Here is the correct way. Rule 1. Do not translate every word. You do not need to understand 100% of the words. If you understand the main idea, continue reading. Only take words that are repeated many times, are important for the story. Rule 2. Read aloud for 5 minutes. Reading aloud helps. Pronunciation, speaking, confidence. Read slowly and clearly. Example: the story is about a man who travels to a new city. Rule 3. Ask simple questions after reading. Ask: who is the main character? What happened? Why did it happen? How did the story end? This helps your brain stay active and focused. Part 5. Turn reading into active learning. Now let's turn your reading into real learning. Exercise 1. Write 5 new words. Choose 5 words from your reading. Example: adventure, lonely, travel, afraid, excited. Write simple sentences. I like adventure stories. He feels lonely in the city. Exercise 2. Speak for 1 minute. Say in simple English. Today, I read a story about a man who travels to a new place. He feels afraid but excited. Speaking improves memory, fluency, confidence. Exercise 3. Write a short summary. Write 3 to 5 sentences. The story is about the main character is. In the end, this improves writing, comprehension, focus. Part 6. How to stay motivated. Focus is easier when you feel motivated. Study at the same time every day. For example, 7 p.m. every day, 30 or 40 minutes. This becomes a habit. Choose stories you enjoy. Do you like romance, mystery, adventure, crime, fantasy? Choose what you love. Learning should be enjoyable. Celebrate small success. Finished one book, learned 10 new words, spoke for 1 minute. Say good job. Small success builds confidence. Part 7. Simple daily study plan. Here is a simple daily plan. 25 minutes. Read graded reader. 5 minutes. Break. 10 minutes. Write 5 new words. Speak summary. Write short summary. Total time 40 minutes per day, not 3 hours. Just 40 minutes. Consistency is more important than long study time. Today you learned why focus is difficult, how graded readers help, the 25-minute focus method, how to read correctly, how to practice speaking and writing, a daily study plan. Remember, English is not learned in one day. It is built slowly, step by step. Start today with one small action. Open a graded reader and read one page. If you enjoyed this lesson, like this video. Comment I will start today. Subscribe for more English lessons.